everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Guys, we are talking about the hit song John Vuligate. As we are still very busy dancing, John Vuligate, the known producer Amapara Ages, is accused of stealing the song and is fighting for the ownership. The big war is between Amapara Ages and Skara Chili Baba. Amapara Ages, who is responsible for Amapiano hit song John Vuligate, were arrested on Sunday. They were taken to Pretoria Central Police Station for questioning regarding allegation of theft after it was reported that they stole the song John Vuligate. They were not detained for long as they managed to make it on time for their Idols SA performance. Skara Chili Baba is accusing Amapara Ages for stealing their popular Amapiano dance song John Vuligate. The song actually belonged to Ndibuo, who is a member of Skara Chili Baba. Apparently, guys, Amapara requested to do collaboration with Skara as a compensation of what they did, but Skara refused and told the listener that we didn't expect this matter to go this far, but Amapara Ages are disrespecting us and undermining us. We don't want to collaborate with them. We're only asking them to bring back our song. It belongs to us and we want them to stop acting like it's theirs. They belong in jail because they are thieves. We just want back what we work hard for. That's it. Pretoria Central spokeswoman Captain Silepe confirmed Amapara Ages were brought in for questioning and said they were released as the matter is still under investigations. Guys, this is actually a norm in South Africa for musicians to steal each other's songs. I don't know if it's possible for this behavior, for this bad behavior, guys, to be stopped. Please comment below and share your thought. On that note, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.